Hey, this is Mr. Stevens again. Welcome to Intro to Manufacturing. Today we're down in precision machining and we're making some keychains that we designed. So we're just going to take a look around here and I'm going to show you what we got going on. Mason here is switching out the first operation. This is done on Proto TRAK 2-op. Okay, that's a finish operation 1. Now he's going to put in another blank. Okay, so that's operation 1. Let's take a look here. So here's the blank that we're putting in. This is what comes out of op 1. Got the little Lancaster County CTC logo on there. And then coming out of op 2, we have Intro to Manufacturing engraved on there. So op 2 is getting done here on the HASS mini mill. Looks like this one's about done here. Okay, so we actually use a set of soft jaws that we machine that triangle shape into to hold our parts. So I don't know if you're able to see that, but that's pretty common in the CNC world. Okay, so it's going to finish up here. Okay, go ahead. Okay, so let's take a look at that. What it looks like after the second operation. Okay, now go ahead and put one in, and then we'll show the difference. So that's after op 2. Now he's putting in one that we just got done running on the Proto TRAK. Okay, so he has it flipped down, and now we're going to machine the back of it.